Are you tired of the same old pasta dishes? Do you want to try something new and exciting? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make the latest viral sensation, baked feta pasta. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Ingredients: 1 block of feta cheese, 1 pint of cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 8 ounces of pasta, penne or fusilli. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a baking dish, add the block of feta cheese in the center and surround it with cherry tomatoes. Drizzle olive oil over the cheese and tomatoes, then sprinkle minced garlic, salt, and black pepper on top. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. While the cheese and tomatoes are baking, cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Once the cheese and tomatoes are done, remove from the oven and mix everything together in the baking dish. Serve hot and enjoy, and there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe that's sure to impress your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes like this one. Thanks for watching.